I just think like how granular our ability to track customer behavior and usage patterns and like look at all of that data. So it's not just the analytic skills. It's like the skills that you need to actually take those huge amounts of data and like parse them down into pieces where you can make decisions. That's both like a hard and a soft skill. The hard skill is just learn the basics to like access all the data. The soft skill that actually is quite difficult is how do you take all of that and how do you quickly make decisions? So it's like a two-part. The other, I think, PMs, I think, and I think this is where there's going to be, like you have engineers who are moving forward and technology is moving forward, obviously in areas like ML and AI and also just like big data. These are all like trends that have been around for a while. But I think the question is, how do we adjust our skills as PMs to like, what does design thinking or like having like a design orientation, like how do we apply that to these types of areas, right? That are deeply technical, but can have really practical applications. Because like PMs are going to be the people, or somebody's going to have to be the person that takes a deeply technical solution and translates it into something that's like very, very simple. But doing that is very difficult. Like I find people can either do the simple or they can do the deeply technical. And I think as a PM, like becoming familiar enough, and it's really hard with like, it's not like I'm doing it or I've achieved it, but trying to build that technical understanding so that you can do the translation. I think it's probably essential.